We have to mention item number 53. I have instructed that
53.
53, not press my lord. I want to do this matter.
Prayer of Mr. Learned Counsel.
May please, your lordship. I beg to item number 36, lordship. In this case, today morning I have been engaged, lordship. So lordship may take up this matter on Thursday, lordship. God bless you.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 34.
Hmm.
And for a respondent, my lord, can this matter be taken in the first week of August, my lord? We have taken concern. 6th of August. Obliged, my lord.
I would like to mention item number 43. With the concern of the prosecutor, they have informed also that CD is not received.
Yes.
Authorised, I beg to mention item number 26. There is some personal difficulty, lordship. Kindly adjourn for the day, lordship.
20?
26. And for the respondent number 2, lordship.
I'm appearing for Lordship. Otherwise, Lordship, this matter may be admit and fixed for hearing.
And why did you give consent? Either you say you have consent or will take up in due course. That the submission to be made during the time of mentioning. Yes, next.
Lordship, interim is there in this case.
Please, your lordship, I am appearing on behalf of the respondent number 2 in item number 27, lordship. Lordship, today itself I will file the affidavit in opposition, lordship. Kindly, I may be allowed to bring that particular affidavit in opposition.
Yes.
Deeply obliged, lordship.
Speak a little louder, please. Is the mic on?
Item 60.
65. Yes.
Time to file our affidavit.
Pardon?
We need some more time to file our affidavit. 3 weeks time.
Respondent?
1.
One.
Not a petitioner also.
3 weeks time to further time to file. Again. Karim.
Item number 56. Like to withdraw. It's
Withdraw.
still hearing, lordship. AB. Item 56.
Prayer of Mr.
TK Das, lordship.
Item number 37. And that may be allowed to be withdrawn, lordship.
Withdrawn. All right, same order. 4.
L. Banik, lordship.
Huh?
L. Banik.
37. L. Bonik. You are L. Bonik. I thought you were S. Core.
Please, your lordship. Your lordship, I beg to mention item 41. The matter may be adjourned for the day. TCR has been received, TCR may be retained, and lordship, if possible, kindly matter may be taken up on Friday or Monday of next week. 41. Item 41. Deeply obliged.
Hey, please, lordship. The concern of other side, I beg to mention item number 31, lordship.
30,
31.
Personal inconvenience, engage conducting counsel. Letter may be fixed on 20 August, your lordship. An interim order passed earlier may be continued.
It please your lordship. My lord, here my lord, page 10 is the FIR, my lord. Whatever allegation is of theft, my lord. Theft of one RRU remote, my lord. An RRU, my lord, remote radio unit, my lord, from a site, my lord. Then the petitioner is the driver of that vehicle, my lord, where some, my lord, some person, my lord, has taken his vehicle on rent, my lord, and loaded one RRU, my lord. And when it where from the site that the thieves, my lord, they fled away, and as he was the driver, he was there, my lord, and he was apprehended. And from the FIR itself, it is revealed, my lord, the stolen property has been recovered.
When is the forwarding?
Has been recovered, my lord.
you were chased and recovered.
It was recovered, but I was the driver only, man.
No, you fled, you were chased.
Out of that, man, take his person such.
The short date may be fixed, man, from Paula's part. Obliged, man.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, the regular bail application, lordship, and if is their lordship. So see. Short. Your lord.
My lord, intermediate quantity, lordship.
Their
I'm in
heroine
custody
was-
since 20. 12 it.
Kindly have a look to FIR is a page 10, lordship. A false case, lordship, just to save the skin of officials. In fact, lordship, the.
Fix it, my lord.
We take it up after some time, man.
It may be taken after some time. Senior counsel HRH Chaudhary will argue in this case. Lordship, this item number 7 and 8, they are in the same floating, on the same FIR. So you now please take up both the cases together, Lordship. The FIR also with paste item number. Lordship, it's a PRS bail application here, no? Lordship, the FIR is at page 18 and transfer copy at page 12. It is, you know. With humble respect, I would like to inform you that I own a cloth shop named Sahama, located at ward number 4, Nazira town. For about last 10 years, a person named Mastaq Ali, son of Appa Ali, reside upon her Nazira, ward number 4, has been working in my shop as an employee, along with a resident of Upper Assam, ward number 4, Nazira town, name Muskat Ari. Both are the petitioner, Your Honor, before item number 7. They are the employee, Your Honor, they are working. And accordingly, with the authorized of the owner informant, they have given some goods, but the return, the amount, they have not received it. And in the malified intention, they have, the informant had filed this case there. And
You are found in CCTV footage by
the
the
FIR had been
during
after 25
preliminary
days.
inquiry, as report is there. CD.
And this item number 8, Your Lordship, the purchaser has been involved in this case, but he is the bona fide purchaser. He always used to purchase the items from the appropriated clothes.
All bona fide purchasers know the source. Yes.
So on the interim, I'll be appearing before the IO and give my statement.
Keep dreaming. Yes. Next item.
This case, one of the FIR not yet registered.
May I please?
The report.
Kindly
Report.
pass over for time being, Lordship. Pass over for time.
Call for a report. There is no FIR. Who is coming? Timing.
Kindly pass over for time being. For time being, madam.
11.
Lordship, the matter may be adjourned for the time being. My senior is in exit court number 18, Your Lordship.
May I please, Lordship. Lordship, FR case 8, Lordship. Read, Lordship. This case has been registered under sections 140 subsection 3. There is, Lordship, kidnapping of a person with intention to secretly or confine, Lordship. So here in this affair, Lordship, the victim was already recovered. After recovered, Lordship, this affair has been lost. And Lordship, in this affair, it is reveals, Lordship, there is a delay. And moreover, Lordship, the last page, Lordship.
Statement of victim is my
Lordship, here in this case, Lordship, victim was recovered, it's a long back. But Lordship, on 1/7/2026, this one of the victims' statement has been recorded. Lordship, they are belongs to same
You have-
locality,
you have
Lordship.
come after 3 months. You can wait for a week.
Lordship, yeah, Lordship, if Lordship, interim order may be given, Lordships, then my statement will be recorded. Then everything will be revealed, Lordship. On the next day, if my involvement is there, Lordship, then my bail may be cancelled in the next day, Lordship.
Applicable in every case. Yes.
7, 8. Lordship, I leave us.
Please, Lordship, my lord. In this case, my lord, on report may be called for, my lord, whether any case is pending.
No FIR. Closed accord as per in call for a report. as to whether any petitioner, namely station Which police station?
My lord, Kumurikata Police Outpost, my lord, under Tamulpur Police Station. Obliged.
May it please the lordship, my lord, FIR is at page number 17, my lord. The petitioner, my lord, happens to be the father of the main accused, Urfan Ali, my lord. And this Urfan Ali, my lord, had, without the permission of his parents, my lord, married the informant's daughter. And thereafter, my lord, because, my lord, since this girl was a minor, so the parents objected and he, my lord, without even taking consent of his parents, he got married. And subsequently, my lord, because of some incident, my lord, this girl died.
All right, CD.
Alia.
My lord. The petitioner was arrested during the course of investigation. Now the trial is going on pending at the stage of evidence, your lordship.
This year may be called for lordship.
I am ready to appear before the trial court to face the trial, my lord.
CF. Scan copy of his.
I was on regular bail, your lordship. Appearance,
In regular bail before the trial. When were you in regular bail?
apprehending arrest, your lordship.
I'm not for.
Yes, sir.
May it please your lordship. Or page 8 is the FIR, my lord. What happened, my lord, at Nagaon Khilghat, my lord? Some boys went for picnic, my lord. And there were two groups, my lord, who went for picnic, my lord. They fought among themselves, my lord. Although the petitioner's name were not there, my lord, they were also present, my lord. To be frank enough, my lord, they were also, some boys are named, my lord, specifically. Page 8 is the FIR. Some boys were named, my lord, but though the petitioner's names were, they were also there, my lord. They fought among themselves, my lord. Then my lord, there is a quarrel, my lord. The other team, my lord, they lost this case, my lord. Instruction, there is no injury, nothing, my lord. And petitioner's names were also not there. But, my lord, they were present there, my lord. Quarrel, my lord, between two groups.
Your name?
My two names, my lord. One, Bastop Bhuya, my lord. And, my lord, Minendra Nath Raskwa.
Head injury, lordship.
But admittedly, we are also there, my lord.
Then lordship may kindly call.
But we,
Along with the injury report.
yes, my lord, till then some protection may be given, my lord.
Exacting lordship.
Because our names are not there. But, my lord, if two groups, they fought among themselves, my lord. Some protection may be given. If injury report, there is, as per my instruction, my lord, there is no.
Victim sustains.
And there is no allegation of hitting with iron rod or
By rod, lordship.
the bamboo stick, my lord.
Attacking him by using rod on the backside of his head, lord.
But those persons, my lord, whose names are specifically there, my lord, they have attacked, my lord. He may be called for, my lord, the injury along with the,
Lordship.
along with, but there was no intention, heat of the moment, something happened, my lord. Boys, they fought among themselves, my lord, and they,
So kindly give so that we can produce it.
no, there was, they were also in the group, my lord. They went for picnic, we also went for picnic.
You were part of the,
My lord, I was the part, my lord, we did not took any part. Those boys who took part, my lord, in the, my lord, their names have been specifically named. Lordship may call for
are the
that,
known people.
my lord.
How are they named? Are they known people?
No, but yes, but they're known. That's why they're named. The person who named, they know it. That's why the names are there, my lord. That's why the names are there. The two groups, they know each other, my lord.
They are named accused person. 7 other persons. What was the affair?
My lord, Manav Kumar Kumar, my lord.
Duty for Lordship.
Manav Jyoti Kumar.
Is the injured?
One,
Kailash Hazarika.
Friend of the informed Kailash Hazarika. Crash that took place. As a result of this.
I'm obliged, my lord. I'm highly obliged.
Boston.
Please, your lordship. Okay, please, here is bill application lordship in connection with virus 46 lordship. Lordship may kindly have a look page 14 FIR lordship. So lordship, it was alleged that the daughter of the informant was kidnapped by the private.
Page 11.
Page 14 lordship, vernacular. The gist of the affair is that lordship, the daughter of the informant was kidnapped by prime accused number 1 lordship, that is B2 Ali lordship, with the assistance of accused number 2 and 3, who is petitioner before your lordship in this bill. So what happened, lordship? There was actually love affairs between the prime accused number 1 and the victim of the daughter of the informant lordship, and subsequently they have eloped out of the love relation. And subsequently, lordship, the victim has surrendered before the learned jurisdictional magistrate lordship on 3/7 lordship. Kindly have a look,
Surrendered.
lordship. Page 16 lordship. Order passed by the learned jurisdictional magistrate. And subsequently, lordship, the prime accused has filed a pre-arrest bill application, lordship, before a learned additional district judge, Rongia, lordship. and learned additional district judge Rongia Lordship was pleased to grant pre-arrest bail Lordship after perusing the case diary Lordship. Will find that order Lordship page 18. Time accused. Lordship, after consideration of the case diary Lordship, the prime accused was granted pre-arrest bail Lordship. And we are ready to cooperate with the investigation Lordship. Perhaps our custodial interrogation may not be required Lordship for the purpose of investigation. Appear Lordship, kindly protect us. I call for the case diary Lordship.
This is an application for the FIR. Ali. The help of the other persons include present petitioner kidnap the then her statement recorded before the magistrate. Six. $3,000 with a share.
This is a minor and debt relevant.
Hello, this is pre-arrest bail application, my lord. FI is page number 8. May I read, my lord? My lord, so far as the FIR, my lord, only implication is that I have assaulted the daughter-in-law of the informant, my lord, but she has not sustained any grievous injury so far as the FIR is concerned. My lord, CD may be called for by this time. I may be.
No, whatever, all of so many other things are there.
Yes, Lordship.
No, any specific.
State
my lord.
CD and injury report.
There are 10 accused persons, my lord.
Split the head,
Yes.
stabbed somebody.
By other accused persons, my lord.
How, where it is said other accused?
My lord,
Says then the accused person
My lord,
cut his head.
my lord, the alleged incident occurred on
And they
23.
say accused persons assaulted her, accused so-and-so took away.
Against 1 and 3.
My lord, kindly see FIR.
Got hold
The
of her
alleged
hair and-
incident occurred on 23/4/2026, my lord. My lord, FIR was lodged on 27/4 after 4 days, my lord. Why? There is no reference that the police personnel admitted them into the hospital, my lord. This is fully concocted case, my lord. There may be some,
Stays,
my
Lordship.
lord, altercation between the parties, my lord. So,
Specific
my lord, CD
allegations
may be
against
called
1
for,
and
my
3,
lord,
Lordship.
by this time, my lord.
After 4 days, they have lost the Azahar, my lord. There is no any reason explaining the FIR for delay the to lost the Azahar, my lord.
They have also assaulted the victim as well as the son of the victim, Lordship. Bembo Lathi, X and Dow, Lordship.
Then why 4 days waited for lodging the FIR?
Injured or hospitalized, it is there in the
Lordship.
FIR.
And because his hand has been cut down, Lordship.
CD.
Only have a short date, my lord. From up for better.
5th of August.
My lord, can it be possible a little bit
August,
earlier, my
Lord.
lord? In the month of
5th
July,
of
my lord.
August
In the month of July, my lord. This is from Borpeta,
or 28th, Lordship.
earlier.
Application, 482 application, Lordship. FI page number 16, your Lordship. Very long FI, Lordship. This, I am the petitioner, your Lordship, is the representative of the company, your Lordship. This promissory company, they has interested Blue Whale Solution India to install some solar light in the company, your Lordship. And they transferred money to the company so who owned by Rajendra Prasad. I am not Rajendra Prasad. I only the representative of that company where they are transferred, Nikit Moon. This FI was filed on 7/10/2025, your Lordship. In the month of October 2025, I have visited many times. And I report everything before the police officer at that point of time. Though those sections are to be below 7 years, no notice has been served till now. Only over phone they had been recalling me to the PS, your Lordship. I am ready to cooperate with the investigation officer, your Lordship. All documentation evidence, your Lordship. At this point, I may be protected and CD will call for Lordship.
Lordship, kindly come to page 17, paragraph 2, Lordship. He is the authorized representatives of the Tata Power Solar Company, Lordship. And on his belief, Lordship, on good faith, Lordship, the fund was collected by him. And already 25,72,600 amount was given on 16/7/2025, Lordship, in favor of the Buildwell Solution India. Thereafter, Lordship, because of financial constraints at that time, the project was then kept on hold, which on 2020. Token of advance, 5 lakhs was then paid on so-and-so to the Buildwell Solution. So he has collected money on behalf of the company. He was the authorized person, Lordship. So at this stage, I'm insisting calling for the case study, Lord.
The PNB is the company firm who owned by Rajendra Prasad. I have acknowledged the same, your Lordship. Through WhatsApp, as the FI says. Documentation evidence, I am ready to cooperate with the investigation officer, your Lordship. At this point, I may be protected only. At various times, I visited even.
They have not commenced any work, not done any further project after taking the money, Lordship, for installation of the said solar power.
Yes, CD only. Yes, give it. Short detail.
3rd of August.
It is your lordship, my lord. This is pre-arrest bail. FIR is page number 15, my lord. Actually, my lord, the friendship converted to love affairs, and then it turns sour, and this is what has happened, my lord. There's the entry of also third person. And in the complaint, it said that, my lord, the petitioner has used filthy language, threatened her, all these allegations has come, my lord. She has brought. And she also wrote, on 7/7/26, in front of police station, he has dragged her inside the car. And the FIR was registered in that same police station next day, my lord. Received on next day, my lord. Just in front of the gate, it has happened. In one way, there's a jail market in Golagat, another side is the police station. So, my lord, it looks like, my lord, the words has been used, my lord, so that an unbelievable case has been made out. It's a good relationship, my lord. In the third line, they say she was in a relationship with him. And she also made another statement. I took 18 lakhs from her and he misappropriated, my lord. The date as per her own agreement is on the month of October 26, my lord. But just to make it a case, she has made this, my lord. I've got the agreement with me, my lord. Good relationship turns sour, my lord, and this happens, my lord. Various allegations comes.
18 lakhs.
18 lakhs. And agreement is, kindly see, my lord. I've got the copy. See, she has invested. And in her own petition, in the 6 month, my lord, from the date of agreement, it is October 26. October has not come yet, my lord. The good relationship, but when turns a little bitter, my lord. This is what allegations comes, my lord.
Otherwise, other allegations are also there.
Yes,
Has
yes,
been
that's what.
physically assaulted, lordship.
Yes, but if it is front of
He
police
tried to
station,
press her neck also.
exactly, in front of police gate, station gate, then why FIR was lodged on
Wearing
18?
clothes were torn out. Touched on her private parts, lordship, and also snatched her.
Yes,
both
those allegations are
shoes.
there. Information received in PS 8726.
Threatening part is there to kill her, lordship.
Very serious allegations that made, my lord. I just want to say, my lord, this good relationships turn into sour. And then these allegations, my lord, whatever English words has been used, my lord.
Allegation of assaulting her with sharp weapon, lordship, that is also there. Here district.
I leave till lordship, my lord. But it is better if you lordship to protect me, my lord. On any condition, I will appear before the PS. Last but one paragraph, that 18 lakhs.
What's the agreement for? Agreement is for what?
Agreement that 18 lakhs, kindly see, my lord, page number 16. Page number 16, my lord. Original to the.
Page 16, she has mentioned 18 lakhs.
Yes,
What
yes,
is this
18 lakhs, a
agreement?
copy of agreement. This is the misappropriation part she has written. But in the agreement, the returning money date is October 26, my lord. Kindly see that paragraph 2 there. It is a part of the FIR, but I think my learned friend has missed to annex with the FIR.
He has been totally washed
Yeah.
out. Money has been taken.
That's
lordship.
what.
He has been physically, mentally tortured.
But what misappropriation I want to say? So the moment you put to misappropriation, my lord, one section enters. Agreement 2, if I see, what call it? First party shall return the said 18 lakhs only to the second party in 6 months from the date of execution of the intention. This is May 26, my lord. This was executed. 29th of May 26, previous page. My purpose of showing is, my lord, when the relationship terms, my lord, little hostile. So the allegations are brought, my lord, uncounted. So many allegations, my lord, just to make out a case. Otherwise, they're in a good relationship, my lord. Even she spent 18 lakhs in his petrol pump. He has got a petrol pump, my lord. They are going so nicely. But when the moment becomes so, the whole allegation comes. I want to say that, my lord. In the practical, we see, my lord, what happens in the society, my lord. Put all those allegations so that man goes to the jail. Rest I leave to your lordships, my lord.
Petitioner learned. The allegations were relate to appropriation of an amount of rupees by the petitioner was given to him by the government. The affair that them were in a love relationship. Certain other have also been made in the FIR regarding physical assault. And physical harassment. The petitioner has annexed a copy of the agreement, which indicates that the informant had paid an amount is 18 lakhs to the petitioner, which was to be returned to the government within a period of 6 months. The agreement was executed 26th of 29th of May 2026. Therefore, the said period of 6 months has expired. Submitted by learned counsel.
November it comes.
Call for the CD. The interim it is provided that the is further provided that will appear before the IO within a period of 10 days from. Secondly, the petitioner shall not try to affect or intimidate the government or her family members in any manner. Again on.
Obliged.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, 482 application, my lord. The allegation is basically 103 clause 1, my lord. And the petitioner is the proprietor of the Divine Awakening Wellness Society De-Addiction Center, my lord. The FIR is page number 15, my lord. Actually, my lord, on 6/6/2026, the informant approached to the petitioner requesting admission of her husband, my lord, who was suffering from substance addiction, my lord, to the petitioner rehabilitation center, my lord. As no bed was available, therefore the petitioner was denied to admitted her husband, my lord. But upon the repeated request of the informant, my lord, he contact another de-addiction center, that is Florovia Foundation, my lord. But he was agree on a condition that petitioner would arrange the transportation, my lord. Transportation of the patient from the informant resident to the Divine Wellness Society, my lord. Thereafter, accordingly, my lord, on 11/6/2026, the petitioner staff brought the patient to the gate of the Divine Awakening Wellness Society, where he was received the staff of Florovia Foundation, my lord, immediately taken to their rehabilitation center, my lord. Subsequently, my lord, on 16/6/2026, my lord.
So who are you? You are the proprietor
Yes, my lord.
of Divine.
Divine Awakening, my lord. De-addiction center, my
And
lord.
he was admitted where, not in Divine.
He was admitted in the Floravia Foundation, my lord. And in the meantime, my lord, when the informant lodged the FIR before Nogap PS, the concerned police make an inquiry and arrested one employee from my de-addiction center, my lord. Thereafter, on 19/6/2026, my lord, the concerned police arrested the proprietor of Divine Awakening Floravia Foundation, my lord, namely Selim Ahmed, my lord. I have annexed the seizure list, my lord, that is page number, forwarding report, my lord, that is page number 23, my lord. My lord. That is forwarding report. And the investigating officer has already inspect the premises of the Divine Awakening Wellness Society, my lord. And no material, incriminating materials has been recovered from my premises, my lord. On the other hand, my lord, the investigating officer have seized the register, medicine, CCTV footage and everything from the premises of Floravia Foundation, my lord. Not a single evidence or single materials has been found from my premises, my lord. And till now, my de-addiction center is running away, my lord. And that Floravia Foundation has been seized, my lord. I have annexed the seizure list, my lord. That is page number 29, my lord. I have also I have also annexed the admission register also, my lord. From 26/6/26 to 10/7/2026, my lord.
The case study, Lordship, he was initially admitted at Divine Awakening Wellness Society on 11/6/2026. Thereafter, a phone call she has received, informant received a phone call asking whether she had reached a hospital. Thereafter, she immediately went to the hospital along with his elder brother with her. After reaching there, two persons from the addiction center that belongs to the present petitioner informed her that her husband has died while being transported to the hospital in an ambulance. And on seeing my husband's dead body, she has also noticed several injuries on her different parts of the body. Lordship, at this case,
As per seizure list, my lord, not a single material
so we need
has
the
been
case
received
diary,
from the
CD
my
retrieval.
premises, my lord.
But
And
when it
till now, my lord, my de-addiction center is running away, my lord.
Whether
As the
complicity is
police,
there or not, CD will reveal, Lordship.
What
yes,
is
my
the
lord,
meaning of
CD
running
will
away?
required, my lord. But
How does a center run away?
because the concerned police officer make inquiry, but nothing has been found from
So
my premises, my lord.
It's innocent, Lordship. May enlarge him on bail, Lordship.
Yes, my lord.
I have
But
got no
since
objections. At least, Lordship, CD at this stage.
Yes,
Because
my
one
lord.
person died.
Your center is locked and abandoned. Search operations revealed no register, patient log.
Yes, my lord, I have a register, my lord. I have annexed it.
CCTV DVR storage has been removed and concealed.
Yes, Lordship.
Medical boarding.
I having register, my lord. I have annexed it, my lord.
Thing is definitely fishy.
Yes.
My lord, CD may be called for, but till next day, my lord, I may be protected, my lord. That is my humble request. With any condition, my lord.
Objecting, Lordship.
FIR of when?
My lord,
When
since
what is the
next day,
date
my
of
lord.
the FIR?
6, Lordship. Date of FIR.
So you can wait for 1 month, wait for 1 more week.
My lord, with any condition, my lord, I may be protected.
On 6th, Lordship. 6/8.
Highly obliged, my lord.
Just list in the next.
Here, CID may be called for, but in the meantime, I prayed for interim protection of petition number 1. She is a lady, no way involved in this case, my lord. Annexure 1 is the page 9. Page 9, my lord. FIR is
All are FIR named accused, my lord.
It is correct, all are name accused, but I am a lady, I am in whom I am in no way corrected. 3 persons were arrested. They have confessed themselves.
Forwarding report is at page 17.
There's 2 persons, other 2 persons. It is anticipated. Those 2 persons and another person also arrested, he surrendered. Only for petition number 1, she is a lady, my lord.
Third learned counsel for the petition and brief facts of the case. Nazira Khatun is a he. That 50,000 securities of get that the benefit
In 13.8.
I within a period of try to influence.
Sorry, madam. The matter released to robbery, madam. FIR is at page 10, madam. At this stage, I prefer calling case diary, madam.
Yes.
Thought this, madam, from Nagaon, my lord.
Then tell your junior to make the prayer instead of passing it over for the time being.
My lord.
4.8, my lord.
4.8, madam. All right, oblige you.
CD, huh? Only CD.
Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of HR Chaudhary, my lord. Due to personal difficulties, my lord. One next day, kindly given short date, my lord.
Learned counsel for the
Maybe on 28, Lordship, kindly.
Highly obliged, my lord.
Today I'm praying for some accommodation today, madam. We have some urgency, madam. Let come.
prayer of learned counsel for the petitioner and with the consent of the is the matter again on.
There is an interim order, madam. That may be continued. May I please, your lordship? Matter may be possible for today, your lordship. My senior is not well, your lordship.
Passed over for
Hello,
the day
they are-
and the prayer of learned.
They are enjoying interim since 2024, my lord. I am a cancer patient, my lord. And they filed this petition against the concurrent finding.
Any short date maybe, your lordship. Any short date.
Thursday.
Yes,
Your lordship, itself, I filed a affidavit in opposition on behalf of the respondent number 2, lordship. I have sent the requisition slip, but same has not been.
But I have received the affidavit.
Kindly pass over the Matter for half an hour, lordship, if possible. Half an hour, no?
Where is it listed today?
Lordship? For admission, yeah.
In last occasion, case diary was called for. Lordship. This is very important.
Yes, diary.
Yes, case diary was called for. Last two occasions, Your Honor.
Lordship, filed. Certificate has been filed.
Sheet file. Council, the number 2.
Lordship?
Therefore, respondent
No, two, lordship.
to submit that the affidavit has already been submitted. Record. By order dated 5/26, the case was called for. It received. Charge sheet has been. We need the TCR. Call for the scanned copy of the TCR. Is the filed on behalf of record. Again on.
Yes, please, Your Lordship. This criminal petition has been filed for quashing of FIR, my lordship. Earlier, question C was called for.
CD we have received.
My lordship, if possible, matter may be taken on 23rd July, my lordship. 23rd.
Call for has not been received.
CD received, Lordship.
Received, has been received. The prayer of learned count. Again on when? 25th,
23rd.
23rd.
God bless you.
Matter may be passed over for today. Personal difficulty. My senior sir is not in court in today.
Learned counsel for the petitioner. Matter again on.
Yes.
May it please lordship. In this petition, I have silenced a proceeding under for maintenance, my lord. My lord, let this matter be tagged with a criminal petition 119 of 2024 filed by us, my lord. Because the respondent wife has also filed a domestic violence petition, we have silenced that also. We are denying the marriage basically.
On the prayer of learned counsel for the petitioner. Is this matter along with
Criminal petition number 119 2024.
on
12 August. Okay. My lord, there was an interim order that may be continued by the field.
same order passed earlier to continue till next date of listing?
I'm obliged.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Criminal petition is for satisfied. The NBW has been issued against me, Your Lordship. My lord, though POCSO is there, Your Lordship, but the actual fact is, Your Lordship, the prime accused is my elder brother, Your Lordship. And the victim and my elder brother had love affairs, Your Lordship. And regarding that, our village Bisar was also held, Your Lordship. And it was decided in that picture that because the victim and my elder brother was also minor, your lordship. So it was decided that when they attain the age of majority, the families will solemnize their marriage, your lordship. But thereafter, after 1 month of that incident, your lordship, this FIR was filed, your lordship. And my lord, may kindly, and my elder brother was arrested and released on bail. Order to Didi Badada. By this honorable court, your lordship, he has been released on bail, your lordship. My only prayer is, your lordship, because there is an NBW, your lordship, that may be set aside, your lordship, so that I can participate in the trial, your lordship. I'm a student, your lordship. I have nothing to do with this case, your lordship. After a month, your lordship, the FIR was filed, your lordship.
So as per this bail order, the first condition is that petitioner shall cooperate with the trial. You did not appear.
My lord, it was my elder brother. It is my elder brother, your lordship.
This bail order.
Is bail order.
Then who are
He
you?
is the main accused, your lordship. He is the prime accused. He and the victim had a love affair, your lordship. This is the youngest brother, your lordship. I have been unnecessarily dragged in this, my lord. After 1 month, they have put my name in the FIR, your lordship.
Page 58, my lord. Second page.
Charge sheeted matter, you were named as an accused.
My lord.
You did not appear.
My lord, I want to appear, but there was, because I have, my lord, may kindly see page number 30, your lordship.
Where is the impugned order?
Page 30, my lord. Page 30, my lord. By this order, on this date, your lordship, 30/2/26, your lordship, NBW has been issued, your lordship. After receiving summon, your lordship, I have engaged on one advocate, your lordship, and I have appeared by my engaged counsel, your lordship. But on this date, only one date, my lord, due to some miscommunication with my advocate, your lordship, he did not appear, your lordship. We could not appear, your lordship, and NBW was issued only for one date, your lordship. No bailable warrant was issued, your lordship. My lord, I want to participate in the trial, your lordship. Only one chance may be given to me, your lordship.
Page 65, one order passed on 21/26. Thereafter, order dated 32 on at page.
Ending since 6 months. My lord, I'm a student, your lordship. I want to participate in the trial, my lord. Till then, my lord, NBW may be set aside, your lordship. My lord, may see page number 27, my lord. After receiving summon, I have appeared on the first date, your lordship. Only one date I could not appear due to some miscommunication with the council, my lord.
Is or to have come by way of anticipatory bail application. Your absence,
My
what
lord,
is the magistrate supposed to do except issue NBWA?
but my lord, on only one date, my lord.
Whatever, even if it is one date.
Warrant was also not issued, your lordship. Only one date, my lord, NVW was directly issued, your lordship. My lord, may kindly give me one chance, my lord. I'll appear and participate in the trial. Any condition, my lord may impose. I am a student, my lord. My elder brother, who is the main accused, he is appearing already, your lordship.
You have not appeared even once.
No, my lord, page number 27, your lordship. Because NBW, page number 27, your lordship. Annexure 4, your lordship. Annexure 4, page number 27, your lordship. The first date after receiving the summon, I have appeared, and on that date, your lordship, it was condoned, your lordship. Thereafter, only one date, your lordship, I could not appear, and
You did not appear. You filed petition.
but I filed
You
petition.
never
your lordship,
appeared. You
yes,
did not apply for bail.
my lord.
I'm sorry, madam.
But on
For the respondent number 2, first to file the objection, madam. The objection is otherwise ready, madam. Time may be given, madam.
my lord, on
Objection is ready, madam.
my lord, on the last
Let
2 months, your lordship,
subsequently-
he is taking time to file objection, your
Again-
lordship, my lord. It is
Last time only I have
last
taken.
2 months, my lord, two
Again, they have
occasions, your
done
lordship.
the same offense. Lastly, on 24th of June, both the brothers detained the girl. I'm just standing while that is.
My lord, may give me a chance, my lord. It is a question of trial, your
Let
lordship.
them go to the court below. They will.
I'll appear. I am ready to appear. That is what.
Pass the necessary order.
My lord.
Say POCSO case, my lord. And they are repeatedly doing it. Now the girl is under the treatment of the doctor for psychological problem, my lord. Because they are pressurizing the girl, and even on 24th of June, when she was on the way to the school, on the way, this petitioner and his brother kidnapped the girl from the when she was on the way to school and detained her for more than 1 hour. Then, on the help of police, of the local police, she was recovered. Immediately, the school dress was undressed and burqa was put to her. This is the condition going on. And they are doing it intentionally, that this way, that way, they are pressurizing the family members to withdraw the case. Otherwise, consequence will be the serious. This is threatening going on.
My lord, from
And the girl's father is a physically handicapped grade 4 employee. He cannot run here and there.
my lord, from the day 1, your lordship, the informant is submitting all this, your lordship, but nothing
that
has
fact
been
I would-
filed, your lordship. So, my lord, may kindly give me a chance so that these things can be decided in the trial, your lordship.
No, let them go to the why they are coming
I'm
to the
ready to
court
go.
because
Because
only
there is a NVW.
someone was issued on several occasions. He, this petitioner, on behalf of the petitioner, advocate was engaged, and 3 or 4 times application was submitted.
No, my lord.
Getting adjournment.
My lord,
No,
only
your-
one date. I have.
That fact is already been mentioned in the criminal petition itself.
An
So I
example.
will file the objection, my lord.
No, my lord.
Everything will be
First day,
clear.
From the first day, your
What
lordship,
they are
this kind of
doing it.
submissions are being made, your
And this is a
lordship.
15 years old girl. She has
These
been
things
raped.
can be
And
decided in
again,
trial,
this
your lordship.
this offense is this.
You're filing it today,
No, not today. 1 week time may be granted, my lord.
not 1 week.
But otherwise, my lord has ready, my lord. Only some facts, some documents are required to be.
No,
placed,
my
my
lord, this
One
submission
week,
is
madam.
make.
After a week,
my,
I will file.
My lord, no, my lord,
Monday.
my lord.
Monday. 2 days,
Obliged, Lordship. Next Monday.
Learned counsel for a day or two, hence list the matter again on Monday. Yes.
Hi, please, Lordship. My lord, this petition filed, my lord, against the impugned judgment and order, my lord, passed in, my lord, miscriminal case, miscase, my lord, 19 of 2023, my lord. Whereby, my lord, rupees 9,000 has been awarded, my lord, to pay to the opposite party number 2, my lord. My lord, kindly see the operative person of the order, my lord, please 35, my lord. Madam, admittedly, I am a serviceman, my lord, but I have to pay, my lord, rupees 5,000 to my elder wife, my lord. Now, my lord, I have taken, my lord, several loans, my lord, which I have stated.
Where is the impugned order?
My lord, impugned order, my lord, pays 24, my lord, annexure 5. And operative portion, my lord, 35, my lord. This order, my lord, I have filed a criminal revision, my lord. This order also, my lord, upheld by the revisional court, my lord. My lord, I have to pay, my lord, loan and other, my lord, installment, my lord, which I have stated at paragraph E, my lord, of ground. At this instance, my lord, and moreover, my lord, I have to pay rupees 5,000 per month to my elder wife.
What are you doing?
My lord, I am in LDA, my lord.
Hmm?
LDA.
45,000 salary, my lord.
Lord,
But I have, my lord, a baby child, my lord, 2 years baby, my lord. I have no any income source, my lord. Till date, my lord, petitioner, nothing has been paid, my lord, to me and my lord, my child, my lord. But kindly directed the petitioner to pay the arrear salary, my lord. Arrear, my lord. Arrear, total arrear, my lord, 3 lakhs 42,000, my lord. Till today, nothing has been paid, my lord. 1 rupee is not pay me, my lord. 2 years baby child, my lord, along with me, my lord. $45,000 salary, enjoying the fast wife, my lord, depriving me and my child, my lord.
Yeah, affidavit of assets filed? No.
my lord, that part is not clear, my lord.
But in the judgment, my lord.
So admittedly, you are an LDA.
My lord.
That is true, my lord.
$45,000 salary, my lord.
Kindly see, my lord, my ground, my lord, E, my lord. Ground E, my lord, I have stated, my lord. I have taken loan, my lord, 40,295.
You are enjoying the, my lord, fast wife, my lord, depriving
And-
me, my lord, and my baby child, my lord. I have no any income source, my lord.
Where is the original trial court's order?
My lord, trial court order, my lord, page 24, my lord.
20?
24. 24 operative portion, my lord, 35, my lord.
And the appellate?
Appellate, my lord, revisional court order, my lord, page, my lord, 42. And there is no whisper regarding the assets and liabilities, my lord, in both the orders, my lord.
So this 45,000 is admitted.
My lord. My lord, out of 45,000, my lord, I have to pay, my lord, loan amount, my lord, that is.
Doesn't matter. At the time of marriage, you act like a jamindar. And at the time of paying money, you act like a pauper. Who asked you to marry again? Twice. If you don't have the means to support. If your wife and child had remained with you, would you not have spent that much amount? It is less than 1/4 of your salary. How is it possible to lessen this amount? The bare minimum.
There should have been maintained ratio, my lord. Earlier,
And you are in where? DC office?
my lord, yes, circle office, in
Circle office?
Yes.
So this is only your stated income. You have handsome income. At learned counsel for the petitioner. Respondent, the instant petition, criminal petition has been preferred challenging and order dated
22/7/2025. First in case number 98/23.
10/2/26. First in criminal revision 09 of 25 by the learned Session Judge South Salmara Mankasar. By which the judgment and order dated 22/07/25 passed by the learned additional CJM South Salmara Mankasar in his case number 98 of 23, awarding maintenance of rupees 9,000 per month to the respondent stroke wife and their children in upheld. Page 43, paragraph 4. The aforesaid proceedings under section 125 CRPC. The present petitioner stroke husband has filed his written statement denying the allegations against him. Full stop. The learned awarded rupees 6,000 for the wife and rupees 3,000 for the child, having regard to the sum of the petitioner husband, who is a government servant working LDA as a junior administrative assistant, the circle office. It is an admitted position that the salary of the petitioner is rupees 45,000. The petitioner seeks reduction of the. You are not seeking reduction. You are saying you are not going to pay anything. Is it? The petitioner herein challenges the impugned orders, the ground that he has no ability to maintain the respondent wife and his child separately, as he has to maintain his first wife and children and his brothers, and besides that he also has EMIs to pay. Having regard to the fact that the petitioner is a government servant having regular salary of rupees 45,000 per month, the amount awarded by the learned magistrate as found by the learned revisional court appears fair and justified, being less than 1/4 of the admitted income of the petitioner. Not find any such gross legality or conformity warranting interference by this court in exercise of its inherent jurisdiction. Accordingly, held to be devoid of merit, dismissed.
My lord, the item number 35, my lord, state has filed this application praying for cancellation of the bail, my lord. My lord,
Lordship, we have already filed our objection, my lord.
PCR received, my lord. I will have to go through the records. Your lordship may kindly fix it day after tomorrow, my lord. Some time to go through the record.
When it comes, objection has already been filed on behalf of the respondent. Alternate additional PP submits that TCR has been received and seek some time to go through the same, hence list the matter again on when?
After tomorrow, my lord, on
27.
27, yes.
Obliged, Lord.
The books.
Kindly taken up at 2, my lord. The lordship present.
Why?
At 2 today, my lord.
Why?
My lord, one point I would like to clarify, my lord. Judgment. My lord.
May I plead your lordship? Lordship, due to some medical emergencies, my senior learned counsel are unable to attend the call, lordship. So kindly that may be adjourned.
Okay, I'm the informant and I will file that objection come affidavit and on behalf of the informant, Your Lordship.
My lord, earlier also they took,
Adjournment, Your
earlier also they 14/7, my lord. Case they received otherwise.
One day, lordship.
Sufficient materials against the.
We have received a written objection. We also filed reply.
Bail petition, written objection, reply is they're supposed to dispose of within 2 weeks.
Available, your lordship may.
PD received, objection has also been filed on behalf of the respondent number 2. Learned counsel for the petitioner. 6. Adjournment is taken on Friday. CDB retained till then.
Lordship.
Lordship, kindly fix it to lordship. Conducting counsel is on legs, lordship.
We won't say 2 or anything. If the list is over, we'll call again.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, this is a charge sheeted case, lordship. The petitioner is behind bars for 94 days, lordship. He has completed 94 days. And lordship, the allegation is of section 21B, lordship, intermediate quantity of heroin. He was found to be in possession of 31.69 grams of heroin, lordship. Trial will commence shortly, lordship. It has already.
Scan copy, alia scan copy call for, my lord, it was not received, my lord.
Next, the certified copies of the charge sheet and other related documents, lord. The primary breadwinner in the family, lordship. He has 2 minor children, 1 wife and 2 elderly parents, lordship. defend yourself better.
Page 29, my lord, charge sheet, my lord. Last para, my lord.
You are a carrier peddler.
Was allegedly found in my possession in my shop, lordship.
You're a veteran.
Lord. I have a hardware shop, lordship, wherein it was found.
Hardware shop and software business.
I will cooperate with the trial, lordship. Any condition that the honorable court may impose.
Page 30 also it was revealed, my lord. Page 30, my lord, charge sheet, my lord, in the charge sheet also. Second para, my lord.
Yes, that is what we have seen.
My lord.
Here
Can copy
occasions, this
call for, my
honorable
lord,
court
let
has-
them next week, my lord, call,
You
reminder, my lord.
were arrested earlier also.
My lord.
That is Paresh Chandra Biswas, lord. Not me, lord.
You admitted you have been previously arrested. But TCR. Can copy of TCR not received. Reminder list again on next Monday.
My lord.
Much obliged.
My lord, I'm seeking an adjournment for the day, my lord, kindly fixed. 103, my lord, murder is there, my lord.
Prayer of council again on
First week of August.
Not first week of August, Lordship. Let it be taken up after 15th of August because law and order.
Can copy is there, I think.
Can copy there we have gone through, Lordship.
By letter.
Because Lordship, now the case is pending in the stage of evidence only. Trial proceeding is yet to be
8th August,
initiated.
next date for.
8th August, Lordship, next date. Thereafter, Lordship, after 15, Lordship may fix any date, Lordship. Cases are yet to be examined, Lordship.
Already
Our case is pending at the evidence stage. No relevant witnesses are examined. Already charges have been framed, Lordship. After 15th.
17. 17 minutes.
Obliged.
I'm obliged.
Scanned copy of TCR not received. Issue reminder. List again on. Okay, 2 হয়ে গেল।
Is your lordship, the petitioner is on interim. CD was called for. Earlier rejected by your lordship on 3/11/25, my lord.
CD receipt.
He is the borrower of a loan, my lord, from the Axis Bank by pleasing my lord gold. Later on, my lord, those golds were found to be my lord. Earlier rejection order of your lordship at page 23, my lord.
Where's the FIR?
Lordship, FI is at page 10, lordship. If the seizure has been made, lordship. FSL has been done, lordship, it is very doubtful, lordship, because the seizure was not made. A loan was taken on, lordship. After a long time, lordship, they have filed this FIR, lordship. On 31/7/2023, they have said that this gold is fair. They kept quiet, lordship. On 23/4, lordship. Lordship, I have tried if any seizure has been made, lordship, by the police, and FSL has been conducted of the seized gold, lordship.
Yes.
Well, as per my lord, note of the the gold ornaments pleased by borrower Omit Saki, on the basis of which the aforesaid gold loan was approved. Gold ornaments please are at branch custody, my lord. Those
Sir?
were branch, my lord,
Under
police custody, lordship.
Bank
Police has
custody.
neither in FSL, lordship. The branch, they kept quiet for a long time, lordship. Only on 25 they have filed this FIR, lordship. And that after taking the loan, after
Those are still, my lord, kept under the custody of the bank, my lord.
that should be verified if it is suppressed, lordship.
And the statement of the valuer, my lord, valuer is also an accused, my lord. His statement is also available in the case there, you know.
So 3-4 months, lordship.
Later on during verification.
Oh, obtaining the loan, that empanelment very lordship. They are saying that this is, and neither seizure has been made by the police nor FSL has been conducted.
But separate seizure list is not available, only that note that still.
That was
those, my
available
lord,
on first time.
gold ornaments are in the custody of the.
Yes.
All right. Page 23. Earlier pre-arrest bail 7/8/25 was rejected by this court by order dated 03/11/5. Para of the case indicates that the gold is still lying at the branch and no seizure has been effected, nor has the gold been sent for examination to the cell. Prayer. Dearest bail. As aforesaid. Eight months have elapsed. Dearest bail is allowed. Thousand.
Although earlier, my lord, it was asked to produce the updated CD, but till now CD was not by note of the IO dated 31/10/25. Till 31/10/25, those golds were in the custody of the bank.
But this is the CD.
Yes, yes,
Had there been some movement,
yes.
you have received the CD now again.
Yes.
Bless you.
May I plead your lordship? I am on interim lordship. Long pending case lordship.
46 now.
Yes.
46, my lord, case diary not received, my lord.
Other two co-accused grant absolute bail lordship. Page 60.
Petitioner is on interim.
They did not receive the interim to continue this again on.
For it.
Obliged.
Diary was called for, my lord, and I was in the interim with the protection, my lord, not to take any coercive
In
action.
this case, my lord, search sheet submitted, my lord.
TCR.
I will appear within 2 weeks, man. Till then, I may be protected.
Heard Mr. Z. Kamal Leonard Senior. Submits that charge sheet has been submitted in the case by CS number
23/26 dated 23/6/26.
submitted on behalf of the petitioner that the petitioner shall appear before a trial court until then 6. Continuance of the interim protection. That the petitioner shall appear. Learned court below within a period of till then. Is in the past in the instant
Date
dated 28/4/26. Operation. Petition stands disposed of accordingly.
Petitioner has served a notice under section 179 of BNSS for its appearance at the Dolahal police station, my lordship. My lordship, in the FIR, my lordship, my name is not mentioned, but there is similar name mentioned.
My lord, CD
Other
not
name.
received. CD not received, my lord.
Lordship, for a moment, kindly see how many times your lordship has called for the case diary. At least fifth or sixth time, my lordship. Kindly look into the order your lordship passed. Lordship may pass an order, maybe they give the last order. Next time, positively, I may produce the case diary, my lordship. Fifth or sixth time, my lordship. Kindly look into the orders, your lordship first. And he is a student, my lordship, of Royal Global University, my lordship. And maximum offense in the affair is less than 7 years. If he would have accused, then the I would have produced the given the 35(3), my lordship. So, lordship, I'm kindly praying for some sort of interim protection, my lordship. And in fact, my lordship, last 15 days ago, my lordship, the IO called me asking for my bank statement, PAN card, and Aadhaar card. I have provided through my brother in the particular police station, my lordship. So I have already cooperating with the investigation, my lordship. I have submitted bank statement, PAN card, and Aadhaar card, my lordship, through my brother, the police station, my lordship. And lordship, I call for the case there many times, my lordship. Kindly look into the orders the lordship passed. Lordship, kindly pass an order for the next time the I produce it, my lordship.
Yes, my
That's my humble submission, my lordship.
one last chance may be allowed. My
Humble submission, my lordship. Or give me some sort of protection, my lordship.
You're supposed to only ascertain the identity.
That's all, my lordship. Yes, my lordship. That is in fifth, sixth time has been called for, my lordship.
Yes, my I will go through the order and get the instruction.
CD has not been produced for the fifth time today. Last chance is given to IO to produce the CD. Before that, you write, hence, directed that no coercive action shall be taken against the petitioner until further order. Last chance is given to,
31
Deeply obliged, my lordship.
Wait, please, my lord. Case diary was called for, my lord. I am in interim, my lord. After granting interim, I fully cooperate with the investigation.
CD received, my lord. After interim, he has a peer statement recorded, my lord. But some allegations are against him also. All of them, my lord, he is one of the, my lord, mastermind, my lord. And he was also one of the mastermind, my lord. Abdul Jabbar is the present petitioner, my lord. What happened, my lord, for the FIR itself? It reveals some fake gold loan was sold, my lord. Both person, my lord, saying that they are genuine, my lord. They own the original, my lord, but thereafter when they, my lord, it was found that it was fake gold, my lord. The allegation, my lord. And from he was, my lord, after interim, he has appeared, my lord, statement recorded, and he also, my lord, from him also recovered 1 lakh rupees, my lord. My lord, as a share, my lord. Yeah, my lord.
Informant came from Maharashtra, my lord. And in this market, my lord, in 27 lakhs, 1 kg gold, my lord, is it, my lord, possible, my lord? There is a lot of jewelry shop in Maharashtra, my lord. And across, my lord, MP, West Bengal.
He had to buy at the market rate. Why would he come to you?
Yes, my lord.
Because you are offering it for less.
My lord,
You can buy
out
at
of,
Maharashtra, my lord.
out of 27 lakhs, my lord, some portion only recovered, my lord. Others are yet to be recovered.
Government also not clean hand, my lord.
Returned surrender rupees 1 lakhs, which was seized and deposited in government treasury, my lord. Surrender.
This year, my lord, already, my lord.
And one of the accused, Arfan Ali, he has purchased, my lord, a bike of rupees 1,41,000.
I will face my trial, my lord. The section is, my lord, up to 7 years punishment, my lord. Whole section.
49.
What is it, does he say in his statement before the IO? What is he saying?
Statement.
My lord, his
Statement.
my lord. For Abdul Jabbar, man. Take it. Last plague also, my lord. It was last plague, my lord. Last plague, my lord.
Third learned counsel for the petitioner. Learned additional PP. The FIR says that the FIR had sold fake gold. The informant 7 lakhs by thereby cheated them. 5/5/26. The petitioner perusal of the CD petition. in five of the BN. Questioning. Having regard to the above, it appears that the custodial interrogation of the five 20. That the petitioner shall closed off according
Flash.
sent back.
Flash.
Please, your lordship. FIR page number 17, my lord. Here, my lord, a Bolero vehicle.
My lord, in the last occasion, lordship was pleased to phone for it.
So here the petitioner is the driver, my lord, whose vehicle has been seized with 21 number of cattle in a completely unrelated incident, my lord. The same FIR, which was registered 27 days before. No relation between the incident that I am before your lordship and the FIR.
What are you, owner or driver?
The driver, my lord, is the driving on the owner.
According to this report, everything is part of the same organized racket, so
The same FIR it was revealed, my lord.
no separate affair is required.
Not filed, my lord. On the same, the source information that FIR, my lord, cow cattle are transporting from Bengal to Assam, my lord. The investigation it was regarding the present petition, he is the driver, my lord, and 21 numbers of cattle were recovered from the truck, my lord, and here
That kettles were taken under the millet, some vegetables from the alu, kobi, or gazor. Under the millet, cows were taken millet. In a quail manner millet, in 21 numbers of cow millet in a one vehicle millet.
But may I make the submission, my
And
lord?
they were millet when it was in the
What we have seen, all right. Yes,
My lord, first of all, is a cognizable, if there is any cognizable offense, they should have registered an FIR. They cannot go on arresting people on an omnibus FIR. Secondly, my lord, this is February FIR, my lord. 27 days later, this vehicle was seized. The driver vehicle was seized. Everything has been seized now. So what is the reason? What is the purpose that will be served by taking me into detention, my lord? I will appear before the police. The police want to investigate. They want to interrogate me. I will appear. They want to ensure my presence before the trial court. I will appear. The fact that I am before your lordship after 4 months, only it suggests that I have not absconded, my lord.
your name is
Rashidul, my lord.
Rashidul Haq, my lord.
I will appear before the police, my lord, any condition, my lord.
Our statements are also here, my lord. He said that he will go to my lord West Bengal and to collect some vegetables, my lord. Thereafter he taken
you hand over the case diary.
my lord.
Okay, we'll see. Yes, next.
Grateful, my lord.
Last of the CD was called for.
My lord,
and
CD
we are in
was
interim.
called for CD noticing, my lord. They are in interim, my lord.
All right. So do not interim to continue.
Interim may continue. sir. Obliged.
My lord, after obtaining interim protection, we went to the IO and got our statements recorded, my lord.
My lord, here as per information, charge sheet submitted, my lord.
Then we will appear, then we may be allowed to remain on the previous bill till the trial is completed. There is also a cross case, my lord. That may be page 30. And petition number 1 is a police, my lord, home guard.
Yes, PP.
But here, my lord, I have the information to charge sheet, my lord. In this case, down the charge sheet, my lord. I charge sheet number 47 or 26.
No, that is okay. Do we need the TCR or?
My lord, let me call for TCR 109 is there, my lord. Them to my lord.
Right. It has been submitted by so and so. Call for the scanned copy of the
My lord. I charge sheet
TCR.
number 47 of 26 dated 31/5.
Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing.
Wait, your worship, man. Petitioner is a lady mother having two children. Minor. And the case is murder POCSO, and allegation she is not named in the FIR. But subsequently, only question come from our information, my lord. The two persons told that person, my lord, that she has introduced the victim to the main accused, who is already in jail, my lord. And your lordship already dealt with the case, my lord, in this FIR. The police is now harassing each and every one of the family members, my lord. Earlier, your lordship has dealt with this. Your lordship, I am giving the order, my lord. Your lordship kindly see the FIR is page 10. Yeah, my lord.
Page 9.
Page 9. None of the sections attracted against the present petitioners, man. Neither rape nor POCSO 6, man. Page 9.
What is this order?
This order is, my lord, another person of like, he was also, my lord, police was threatening to arrest. He came before lordship, my lord. He is also not named.
Main accused.
A named accused two already arrested, they are behind the bar, my lord. Minor child, your lordship will find 4 years, 7 years, page 22, 23. Accused name in the FIR is my lord Anwar Hussain. He is already arrested and behind the jail.
You are not named. Where are you apprehending?
I'm getting because my lord, police has come to my house. Thereafter, we got the information that two of the seizure witnesses, they have, my lord, stated before the police that this lady was introduced by the present petitioner to that person, my lord. Victim in the name. This is the information we got, my lord.
In case of some other accused, although POSCO is not directly affected regarding abatement and criminal conspiracy.
That is not there. Only section is
64.
64 and
There are
6.
first. Use the Jalur Rahman has been I order dated 16/7 B 1543 of 20. Case diary has been called for in
Same date.
29/7.
Obliged to. Case, my your lordship will be surprised to know the facts, my lord. I am the inquiry officer of a case. And in this case, my lord, one accident case, motor accident, my lord. Page 18, your lord's kindly see. Accident took place on 1/1/24. Case was filed on 15/2. Case was registered. Then I have investigated the case, my lord. I filed the charge sheet. Now, my lord, they say that, my lord, in collision with others, my lord, this whole case has been framed. And in fact, your lordship can see page 18 is the first, my lord. Later on, I'll come to the main FIR, my lord. This is the first FIR where accident took place. And the person who is his statement also, your lordship will find page 40, my lord. The person who made accident, my lord. Page 40.
FIR in this case is at page
I am
16.
coming, just background of the case, so I am coming. Where are the page?
16.
16.
All right, page 40, we've seen.
Yes.
Then,
Then, my lord, this case already charge sheeted after the statement. This copy we got from the charge sheet, my lord. Now, what happened, my lord, page 16, the present FIR. The file that, my lord, in collision with each other, IO has also, my lord, he was part of that conspiracy, and this case was lost. Page 16. I was the IO of that case, my lord. Your lordship will find my page 16, 17, first line, 2 lines, my lord. Your lordship will find. Allegation.
so you are the IO,
I am the
original IO.
I was the original IO. Now I am serving as assistant sergeant of police and traffic points, madam. And now only there may be something between the parties, madam. I have been involved now, madam, in this case. And that case was filed by my lord. That is the inquiry officer of the MSCT case. MSCT might have been in order to avoid this liability, they have filed this case, madam.
Does not appear it could have taken place without your help.
My duty I have done, madam. I have done my duty, madam. Only question whether everything documentary, suggestion, custodial interrogation. I am the officer, not till today I am the my lord service. I will appear, my lord, if there.
Let's see the CD.
Scan copy of the PCR. Charge sheeted case.
No, in this case, no charge call. RDA on charge sheet. But only my lord, how can you protect me, my lord, because government employee, my lord, if having protection, man.
No, we are very suspicious of you.
My lord, sir, it may be, but I am not on that, my lord. But actually, my lord, so far this, sometimes it happens in the MSC department, they do in order to avoid their liability, my lord, they bring someone else also, my lord. Just to get delay or to, my lord, to avoid the payment, my lord. Only, but he is still serving in service, my lord.
Normally don't lodge FIR against the police.
That, my lord, nowadays, your lordship, that's filing of FIR does not mean that he is a guilty, my lord. Prima facie, I am saying, my lord, the documentary evidence, he is an officer, he is at the disposal of the government, even to my lord. So nothing, there is no question of my lord going away from the investigation, my lord. I have come only because of that, my lord, that some protection your lordship can give, otherwise. I'll appear, my lord. Only for the limited period of city comes, my lord. If there is anything, your lordship will see, my lord.
In this week itself. Which station is this?
Polasbari police station. Right?
Come up, my lord.
Friday.
Friday. Friday will not be available. Either Thursday or Monday.
Monday.
Monday. Bless.
Lordship, in this matter, Lordship, CD is available, but Lordship, one connected anticipatory bail application has not been listed, though it was also fixed today. Lordship, can the matter be fixed tomorrow along with the other bail application, my lord?
It's tomorrow.
Tomorrow, my lord.
Can I say this, my lord?
Entire issue that arises here is in regards to a dissolution of a deed, a partnership deed, which was close to us. But that deed has not been filed anywhere. The allegation by us is that the dissolution has been done by them, so the deed is with their possession. It's not in my possession. But when I came to know when I filed the Section 9 petition before the civil court, I came to know that the dissolution has already been done and the signatures are all forged. Now, I do not have the copy of it. I was requesting my lord can give me some time. Let the matter come up on Monday. I'll file my objection. Based on the secondary evidence, the photocopy that I received, my lord, in the reply of the civil case, I have now taken a report from the forensic which says the signatures are forged. So therefore, the dissolution is at their extent. So they should at least produce that document. That will make things easier. Because it only relates to that. If your lordship give instead of Monday, they have an interim protection, they should not have a problem. Let it be on Monday, my lord. I'll file my objection to that extent and bring that also in record. If it is not inconvenience.
Item number 54, 60, 61, and 62.
That
Same.
And also, Lordship, anticipatory bail number 1291 of 2026.
99.
129.
Note the items. Note the item numbers. Again on Monday,
if it is not inconvenience to my learned friend, I don't know.
along with
Monday, Lordship.
yes, another application is there. You mentioned.
Lordship, there are 5 applications out of this FIR. Lordship, 4 have been listed today. 1 has not been listed.
Yes,
Though,
that give that
Lordship, that
number.
is AB number 1291 of 2026. Lordship, item number 60,
Three orders
60,
passed earlier to
62.
continue till the next. Yes.
Items number 60, 61, and 62 of today's. The interim may be extended.
60.
61, and 62. The interims may be extended, Lordship.
Yes, interim.
May it please your lordship. 482 anticipatory bail application. On previous occasion, CD was called for.
Available, Lordship.
Lordship, FIR is at page number 11. Read the FIR. May I read your lordship?
Any injury report is there?
Lordship, that is there, Lordship. And also the CCTV footage that has been also seized, and that is
No,
is
there will
also
be some injury report. No, this allegation is a
also there.
huh?
Yes, Lordship.
Submit one. Our case at large is lordship. We are not denying that there was some kind of alteration between the parties. At night 10 p.m., when one individual and the lady, they were having some issues, is a crowd which was present there, lordship. And out of this crowd, they have identified us and our names have been included in the FIR, lordship. Whether we have taken any kind of action or we have raised our hand against the lady is the question at large, your lordship. Here, your lordship, the only section which is non-bailable is section 74, your lordship, which is not attracted against all the accused petitioners, your lordship. One of the petitioners, your lordship, is also a member of the VDP party which patrols the village at night hours, your lordship.
Unlawful assembly, they have entered into the premises of a complainant, and she has been mercilessly beaten up along with one Azimuddin on the pretext of lordship on the false allegation of extrajudicial extramarital affairs between the complainant and the other person, Lordship. They have been mercilessly beaten up, causing severe humiliation also. Besides assault, publicly they have humiliation was also done to the lady along with the other person, Lordship. And also tied them with rope, hands and legs are tied up.
They're also saying whether we, the petitioners, are the people who have conducted this act or not. That is the question out here from our end.
Severe humiliation, Lordship, public. Section 74 of the BNSS also dealt with the use of criminal by women with intent to outrage her modesty law, which is a non-cognizable offense. Top of that, Lordship, notices under section 35(3) of BNSS has been served upon the accused persons, Lordship, to secure their appearance in accordance with law. But they have failed to comply with to cooperate with the investigation. Mentioned clear. They have failed to comply with the notice under section 30.
Regards to the notice or instructions from this court, as to the submission, the accused petitioners are ready to comply, Your Lordship. None of them were present at the house to whom the notice was served. That is the question.
Very much required.
Whether notice was served to the accused petitioner in person or to some family member, because as of now, we
Without
are
any
unable
fault
to.
of them, Lordship, they have suffered, they have prejudice, Lordship.
That we are agreeing to, Your Lordship. There was some prejudice, but whether we are the person who has caused that prejudice, Your Lordship.
It's an anticipatory bail, Lordship.
Indeed, Your Lordship.
So notices have been issued to everybody.
Yes, but they have failed to comply with the same.
Okay, they were afraid of going to
We
you.
were not at home also, Your Lordship. Moreover, Your Lordship,
I'm opposing at this stage, Lordship.
our contention is very limited, Your Lordship, that whether we have done any act for which custodial detention is necessary. Your Lordship.
Rejected the bail prayer of the petitioner's, Lordship.
Our
Having
custodial
found
detention-
sufficient materials against all the accused persons, Lordship.
Anyway, injury report does not say anything beyond simple.
Whatever, Lordship, that is not relevant.
Custodial detention
Counsel
is-
for the petition and learned an application on the. So the as emanating from the FIR is that who is the informant?
The informant.
The lady.
I have-
Victim itself.
I have submitted the
Where?
after receiving the videograph and publish it. I with their hand brutally, they have beaten.
Before in front of the public, that too itself.
Now all the accused person that if her house, then they will.
Lordship, the
And what
accused
person
persons
is
are not
already
in the
behind
village
the bar,
itself. They
Lordship?
cannot have any kind of threat to the.
I have
victim, Your Lordship.
also.
Any
I-
phone number or any kind of threat, Your Lordship.
And also. Leaders, my lord, they openly threatened. And publicly they videograph on me. Now I am in a rented house, my lord.
Your Lordship, these are the
She
same
has
people
been
who have also
prevented to enter her own premises,
from the
Lordship.
police, Your Lordship.
The video footage available.
Yes, Lordship, the pen drive is there, Lordship.
I brutally assaulted my lord. My hand and leg.
Lordship, at this stage,
It will be fit case for
we are
granting
also at the
anticipatory
part
bail,
of
Lordship.
justice, Your Lordship. But
They
the
are not
question
behind
is
the bar.
whether the accused petitioners are the
Now
one who are liable, Your
all
Lordship.
the accused person threatened me to throw the case. If I will not.
The
and
accused
they are
persons are not present in
allowed
the
to-
case. How will
That is
they
also
cause any
reflected
threat?
in
Your Lordship?
the trial court's order, Lordship.
Your Lordship, the victim has approached the trial court and submitted
The
a
accused
petition. but
person did not
whether the
allow me
case
to
will
enter
be
my
dismissed.
own house, my lord. They're threatening to withdraw the case, otherwise they will kill me, my lord.
Lordship, the nature of the threat may be taken into. Whether any of the accused petitioner
openly
before Your Lordship has
himself located
taken any
my-
threat, Your Lordship. Agree that there was a crowd. I was a part of the crowd, and whether we have done any act for which our custodial detention is necessary, Your Lordship. We are also ready to cooperate with the investigation so that the
They
truth
have
might
already
come out.
failed to comply with the same,
Your
Lordship.
Lordship, the notices have not been received either by them in person or in.
You will see.
We are ready to comply with the whatever orders Your Lordship grants, Your Lordship.
In case, my lord, I, as a driver, my lord, was detained by police. Was detained by police from a truck, my lord. Truck was being driven by me. That I, as a driver, was hired by one Ajoy Ghosh, who is the personnel from my lord Deven Motorways, as a courier company, my lord. Deven Roadway, my lord. This is the courier company.
You are the driver.
I'm the driver.
Recovery was from the vehicle.
Vehicle.
Yes. Then
And that my lord, I am not acting. I have no control over the material seized or whatever the materials loaded in the vehicle, my lord. Because I am the driver of a courier company, who is my lord, is hired by Ajoy Ghosh. Ajoy Ghosh was absconding, my lord. House search was warrant was issued, my lord, against him. However, my lord, he is still absconding. Now, my lord, I being as a driver just only to drive the vehicle, my lord. There is no other rule in respect of the, my lord, carrying or loading or unloading, my lord. For a moment, my lord, kindly see the first, I would like to place your FIR, my lord.
yes.
And my lord, kindly see the FIR page 14. May I read, my lord? With reference to the subject cited above, I have the honor to report you that as per daily routine checking, a NACA was placed at NACA checkpoint Churaibari watch post NH08, the composition of the NACA so and so. During conducting NACA checking duty at around 4:20 p.m., 28/8/2025, one six-wheeler open body truck.
You don't
bearing
have to read the whole FIR.
my lord. So my humble submission is that, my lord, the ground is that I am the driver of a courier company, Deven Motorways. I have been hired by the Ajoy Ghosh. Ajoy Ghosh is absconding. My duty only to ride the vehicle. There is nothing, there is no, so in this regard, my lord, I cannot be treated as a possessor of the contraband, my lord. There is no conscious and even no possession, my lord, at all. In this regard, my lord, I would like to place a judgment of this honorable court, my lord, in Lorikram judgment. And my lord, the UE bill and the challan and the tax boys received, these are not included in the part of the TCR, my lord.
Yes, CD.
And my lord, the
Yeah.
and the search was made, my lord, without authorization order, my lord. However, pursuant to that notification, the seizing officer is a sub-inspector of police. He is saying that, my lord, that during Naka checking, this was found. So that the accused person for searching was not taken to the magistrate or some other matter of discrepancies while in respect of compliance of section 42 subsection 1 and 2.
Yes, PP.
Another submission, my lord. Section in FIR, my lord, the complainant, there is the SI pronominally saying that authorization letter could not obtain due to the scarcity of time. In charge sheet, my lord, case 27, again his statement is different, saying that after receiving the authorization from Amitra Chaudhary so the complainant along with the bazaar request and drug seizure kit comprising so and so was done, my lord. So these are the discrepancies made during the course of investigation. My humble submission, my lord, I being hired by Ajay Ghosh and acting as under the instruction of the Devan Motorways. So that cannot be treated. I am the possessor of the contraband, my lord. I am a layman, my lord, in this regard. Almost 11 months, my lord, today. 10 months, 22 days, my lord.
My lord, here I have gone through the record, my lord. There huge amount of contraventions, my lord. 700 bottles of, my lord, cough syrup was recovered from the possession.
Not say you are ignorant. If it is some small packet somewhere, that's a different thing. But
My lord, and my lord,
700 bottles, my lord, is not too much big, my lord. 700,
From the-
100 ml bottle, my lord.
from the vehicle, my lord, and from the statement of the, my lord, itself, my lord, it reveals that 39,000, my lord, received from the Ajoy, my lord, for transporting that material, my lord. Although he said that he is not aware about that, my lord, but from the telephonic, there is a conversation from telephonic also, my lord. And in his statement, he said, categorically stated 39,000 he has received for transporting the contrabands, my lord. He is well known about the, my lord, contrabands, my lord. Here, my lord, huge amount of contrabands recovered, 700 bottles, my lord. Course of 37 will come, my lord. My humble submission is that although there he's pointed out that some contradiction, my lord, but there are the matter of trial, my lord. They may at the time of search hearing, my lord, they may place that matter, my lord.
Authorization is required, my lord. I have placed another judgment, my lord.
But not at this stage, my lord. Prima facie, my lord,
Judge
there is the
covered.
From his possession, it was recovered, my lord. Huge contraband, 700 bottles of, my lord.
The vehicle, my lord,
A case may be, outcome of the case may depend upon that 42 compliance or,
My
but at the stage of bail, we have to overcome the bar of 37.
my lord, bail, my lord,
My lord.
charge sheet is filed, my lord. Trial,
But
process.
37,
And my lord, the
37 does not go away.
My lord.
vehicle is already granted, Zimma was
That
granted.
is-
We have to come to the finding that you are not guilty of the offense.
My lord. My lord.
Loricram is there, my lord.
Hmm?
Loricram judgment, court judgment is saying that I have placed on order of the.
Which one?
Loricram, my lord. Just I have placed, my lord. Loricram. Versus the.
Polygram, that's it. That is a finding on facts.
My
There, the consignment company was
That
there,
is my
that
lord.
they had, yes,
Motorways.
that's a different thing.
There is more, my lord, what about the Ojoy
No,
Ghosh?
no, not motorways.
My lord.
7 motorways with the, my lord, they kindly see the accused number 2, Ojoy Ghosh, who has been charge sheeted, my lord, absconding. And my lord, I have flag marked in the, my
Because
lord,
he is absconding, he were to be released.
my lord, what happened, my lord, house search order was issued against him, my lord. So, my lord, what happened if he is not come out, my lord? How can I can be, my lord, implicated in this case, my lord? Because I being hired by the Ojoy Ghosh, who is, my
How
lord,
can you be
addressed-
implicated? Your recovery was made from
My
your
lord.
position.
My lord.
my vehicle, my lord, I am the driver, my lord.
Of course, he will be the driver.
Driver is the best person to know about my lord,
Worker of
what is
the
there, my
Devon
lord.
motorways, my lord.
Without knowing the, my lord, how he transported the materials, my lord. He's the best person to know about this.
My lord, my humble submission, I will appear because the possession, my lord, cannot be confirmed to me, my lord.
You can carry bombs also and say,
Fine.
I am the driver.
Driver, my lord.
Why
Then
should
he again
I was asked to carry by by the
Fine.
owner.
Here, my lord, is a courier company is there, my lord. Not hired by a private person, my lord.
Specifically stated that in the particular backdrop of the facts and circumstances, rigors are not attracted.
Here in my case also, my lord, I am also the driver of Devon motorways, my lord. Hired by Ojoy Ghosh. Not in my independent capacity, my lord.
Joy Ghosh is the consignor. He is not the owner of the motor company. You are the employee of the motor company. It is Joy Ghosh who hired you.
My lord.
Ojoy Ghosh is the also, my lord, the manager of
He's a
owner of the
consignor.
Devon motorways, my lord. This is there, my lord. This is there, my lord, in the charge sheet also. My lord, kindly page 25, kindly see, my lord. Ojoy Ghosh of Devon Roadways, Atkao, Goshala, Gauhati. This is the office, my lord. Page 25, my lord.
Is Devon Motorways, is it a registered company?
It is a courier company, my lord. It is a courier company. My lord, tax receipt, invoice receipt, UA bills, that can be, my lord, your lordship may inquire into, my lord. Because those documents are seized from the vehicle. These documents, my lord, clarifies aptly whisper that this is a courier company, my lord. The consignment and everything, my lord. These are not under my control, my lord. These are the documents which we have been possessed, my lord. And that document saying that these are owner of this Devon motorways, my roadways, my lord. So, my lord, it is equivalent to Loricram, my lord. And here 10 months, almost 11 months, my lord, today.
I have a strong objection, my lord, in this regard, my lord. 37 should come, my lord.
Please, your lordship.
The petitioner is behind the bar for the last 177 days, Lordship. And already the informant of victim examined, Lordship. And during the course of evidence of the victim, Lordship, firstly, she was declared hostile, Lordship. I am 24 years of age, Lordship. And in the search sheet also it reflects that the victim did not give consent for medical examination, Lordship. Informant victim already examined, Lordship.
The age of the victim?
At present, she is 15 years of age. 14 years, at the time, 14 years, 5 months, 10 days, Lordship.
Below 15.
15 years, 5 months, 10 days, Lordship. Since part it is reflected, Lordship. Was declared hostile.
My lord.
Lordship. Kindly go through the evidence, Lordship.
Yeah.
Was partially declared hostile, Lordship, and already
Hostile evidence doesn't get wiped out completely.
My lord, thereafter in cross also see again.
Certainly not the cross part.
In the cross.
Lordship, otherwise also, Lordship, the victim and the informant already examined, Lordship. For witness yet to be examined, Lordship. On any strict condition, Lordship, because for victim and informant already examined, Lordship. And he's only 24 years of age, Lordship. He'll
Already
face the
gone.
trial, Lordship.
You are already gone.
Lordship.
No amount of evidence of the other witnesses can overturn this evidence which has come in cross-examination itself.
For witnesses yet to be examined, Lordship.
Were they?
But otherwise
What
also,
will they
Lordship,
say? Who are the remaining witnesses?
my submission is that there is no chance of, Lordship, influencing the witness. Submission, Lordship.
Dangerous to release you now. After
Fine.
this evidence is there, only option for you, if you take legal advice, get lost.
Any strict conditions, Lordship. First, Lordship, in the evidence part also itself, cross was not properly done, Lordship.
That is their fault.
Lordship, that is their fault, Lordship. Cross was not properly done, Lordship.
What cross will they do? They have to have something in their hand, contradiction or something.
Contradiction.
The form of previous statements.
The
If everything
183
is consistent, what cross?
183 also says category.
Okay, see, it was not forceful. She went on her own. The
The
age,
remaining part is my lord.
look at the age, 14 years. You're at least 10 years older.
Now 24, Lordship. Cross part, Lordship, probably they have not done it properly, Lordship. Any condition, Lordship, for some days, Lordship.
Age, heard learned counsel for. So you are appearing for?
And another submission is there, Lordship. Lordship, section 36 not complied with, Lordship.
And that issue is pending. That issue is pending, man.
30.
That has not been complied with also, Lordship.
How?
Because in the notice under section 36, Lordship, the signature of the relative or the person were not taken, Lordship, as mandated by section 36 of BNSS, Lordship.
They have not annexed here.
Lordship, in the record itself there is. It is there. Section 36, Lordship.
You have not annexed human, you have not taken the ground, that means.
So ground I have taken, Lordship. Look, kindly peruse, Lordship, paragraph, Lordship, paragraph number 7, Lordship, of the bail petition, Lordship. Paragraph 7, Lordship. Paragraph 7, Lordship.
Yes, what do you say? 36.
My lord, my lord, regarding the issue of 36, my lord, it is pending, my lord, as lordship already larger bench, my lord. And lordship's order is also there, my lord, when there is a 47 and 40 complied, my lord. Perhaps, my lord, that 36 is not required, my lord.
What was that order you have?
Not at present, my lord, but only on the of the my lord sub-contradictory view. Send for the my lord larger bench, my lord.
I will abide by any conditions, Lordship.
Till it is decided, it depends.
Not yet decided. Not yet decided.
So what will happen till it is decided?
Till that,
It will happen till it is decided. Till the larger bench decides it,
My lord.
which is to be followed.
My lord.
till then I may be granted interim.
But till then. Earlier.
Earlier you said it.
The trial court, Lordship, I have already mentioned, Lordship. there.
Already, see. You have the case number or?
My lord, regarding the sending of the larger bench, my lord, I'll provide.
So in support of my contention, can I submit some husbands of this honorable court. Obliged, your lordship.
My lord, here, if I, no? Lordship may call for a report from the IO, my lord. OC concern, my lord, whether any case is registered or not.
Heard learned counsel for the petitioner and learned additional PP. The OC of Sapor.
Sapor.
Police station is directed to furnish whether any case has been registered against the petitioner Jyotirmoy Roy at Sapor Police Station. Roy, son of Birbal, is Bahalpur. This taken.
Obliged, sir.
Hmm. 482 application, lordship. Earlier interim was granted. FIR is on page 13, lordship. Page 13, lordship. One Rajiv Brahma, lordship, has prepared some counterfeit official letterheads, lordship. Thereafter, lordship, in the name of the complainant, lordship, who is an executive member of Social Welfare Department, BTC, lordship. And thereafter, lordship, he has tried to cheat many people, lordship, with regard to, lordship, having tenders, lordship, tender documents regarding that. I am one of the victims, lordship, in this case.
Your name is Hafizur.
Hafizur, my lord.
Hafizur Rahman, lordship. I have appeared, lordship.
Main allegation is one again Rajiv Kumar Brahma.
My lord, main allegation against him, my lord.
So
Regarding
how
the,
do you enter the picture?
my lord.
I am a businessman, lordship. He gave me, lordship, he showed me some tender documents, lordship, regarding, lordship, supply of some school bags and some school materials, lordship, from Social Welfare Department. So regarding that, lordship, I have given some money also, which is, there are some transactions in UPI and all regarding that, lordship. That's why I had an apprehension, lordship. I had a talk with him. Thereafter, I came to know, lordship, that these are all fake. When I went to the authorities, lordship, the department.
In his statement also, my lord, he admitted the facts, my lord. He had a forged and fabricated documents, my the contractors, my lord.
Many people have been cheated, lordship.
Statement is this main accused Rajiv, he was in custody, he didn't get anticipatory bail. I took money from many people. That is the interrogation, investigation. Who, no particulars is
From
there.
whom?
What purpose will be served by custodial interrogation? In what he have done with the person in custody. I'll learn it counsel for the petitioner, LPP. Please. Paragraph 3. 4. He is a businessman by link with the alleged protection granted by this court. Yet before the statement has also been recorded. Is the case diary before the court. Therefrom, it appears that the statement of the petitioner has been recorded. The main accused been arrested. Statement. In his statement, he has indicated the present petitioner. But other than the statement of the aforesaid, there appears to be other material against the petitioner. Having regard to the fact that as well as the fact that the statement the prayer for bail is allowed. Bail dated 26/6/26 by made. Hard condition. Disposed of accordingly, send back.
Deeply obliged.
CD not received, my lord.
There is entry, my lord.
Today I have filed wakalatnama for the informed. My lord, along with the CD, my lord, postmortem report may be called because it is suspicion of poison, my lord.
Report normally comes with the CD.
I know.
CD not received. Counsel Mr. has entered appearance for the is directed to produce the postmortem order passed earlier to continue till the next.
My lord, in this case, I'll file additional affidavit, my lord.
Filed.
Yes, my lord. Already I could have filed, my lord.
On record.
No, my lord. That may be take.
Put one line that it's first of the learned. Additional affidavit has been filed on behalf of the petitioner. Registry Place the same on record.
No, please. My lord, here one report was called from the my lord OC concern, my lord. Ship, my lord. I prefer short that, my lord. From Lakhimpur, my lord.
Port of OC Lakhimpur PS not yet received. Internet. Pursue the matter. The matter again on
5th of August. 5th of August. Oh. Friday.
In this case, petitioner is in interim bail, my lord, and also received the summon, my lord. Next date is fixed on 28/7/26, my lord. Allegation is of POCSO, my lord, but specific allegations are not here in the FIR, my lord. Tried it. Petition master, my lord. Will appear. In objection also, they have not mentioned anything.
Someone appears for the respondent.
Yes, my lord, they have filed.
Someone appearing for the respondent, my lord. Today, Ojli it was shown their name.
File affidavit. Also file. Then nothing mentioned, my lord, just mistreated. It is incorporated here. Page 15. Paragraph 5. Page 14. Tuition fees remain unpaid. That's why I call her mother, my lord, to pay it in the marriage. That is why, my lord.
Their story, my lord. Lordship kindly pays 183 statement. My lord. Hmm? 183 statement.
Who is for respondent number 2? Name is shown.
Name is shown, my lord. First, they have also filed their objection also, my lord. AU Chaudhary.
FIR was 24, incident 21.
Next date is, my lord, 28/7/26 for appearance, my lord. Charge is not yet.
Is nature of allegation after charge sheet has been filed? Already granted, so. Is there is not here.
Cases are there, my lord.
Whether he appeared before the IO or not.
Yes, appeared.
I also,
I
no, no,
appeared.
that report not. That part.
Appeared, my lord. Whole day he was direct to stay there, my lord.
Some
2-3
statements.
days. Thereafter, it was recorded. 2-3 days he went there. Whole day he was directed to sit there.
Once investigation is over, now his statement is now meaningless.
My lord, my lord.
I'd learned counsel for the petitioner. Lord. None appears.
My lord.
None appears for respondent.
Although they have filed their objection also.
Submits that the para 3 of submits that the petitioner who is a IRR. act the to
Online, my lord, my objection.
file.
But here TCR call for, my lord, not received.
Scan copy of TCR not received. Issue reminder. None appears. Here's for either side. And number 2 not yet. List again on.
This matter on the last occasion, I was appointed as the amicus curiae, Lordship. I have been supplied a copy of the petition, but I'll pray for some time because the complaint petition, the case arises out of a complaint under the Assam Shops and Establishment Act 1971. This petition does not contain the complaint petition, and I have not been supplied with the evidence and the cross-examination part also, Lordship. So I'll pray for some time, and Lordship may kindly direct the registry to provide me with those documents so that I can assist your Lordship better on the next step. And I've been informed by my learned friend also, PP, that they have also not gone through the records properly.
Okay. Okay, appointed to write to him, namely
The complaint petition, Lordship. The evidence. Evidence and the 313 statement of the accused.
and other document, the related documents. No.
Thursday, Didi, brother.
They were Thursday, did you?